I got a question here. How can someone learn and practice the use of tools for analyzing risk, such as Nessus or EMAS, EMMAS? Well, you could use Nessus. Let me show you. Nessus. You can download Nessus. Let me give you a demonstration here. Let me see if I can remember. I've already downloaded it myself. Let me just show you this. You can use tools like this and start messing around with it. Let me show you my screen here real quick. This is what I do. Let me see. There's a Nessus client that I downloaded locally. And okay, I got to share my screen on. I'm not gonna be on here too much longer, guys. I got some stuff to do, but I can show you a couple tools that I've been using. Showing you my screen. Boom. All right, so this is a local instance of Tenable's Nessus Essentials. So this is one tool for analyzing risk that you can run on your own local network. And check out your own local network. And let me see if I can remember how to GRC. This is something I'm doing for a course I'm building. Roadmap 1. Let me see if I can remember my password. I don't think I'm going to remember this. I made it too ridiculous. Okay, there we go. I remembered it. Wow, amazing. So this is a scan, and I walk people through how to install it and how to use it and all that kind of stuff for the GRC roadmap. But yeah, here's a tool I ran on my own local network. This right here is my own local network. So I can go ahead and look at, say, this vulnerability here. It's on an actual system here, and it's got a bunch of informationals. And I just ran a non-credential scan, but I could look at what's going on with this system, and it breaks down medium. See how a SSL certificate cannot be trusted. This right here is a common vulnerability I see in real environments that I work in. Several different networks I've seen, and it's telling you what the description is describing, what the vulnerability is, which is very important to analyzing risk, and then how to fix it. The remediation, purchase or generate a proper SSL certificate. And then it tells you what it looked at. This is the plugin output. Plugin output's telling you, okay, this is what I'm seeing. This is the certification I'm seeing on your particular system. And then if you want to go deeper, it's telling you what's the CVSS score. This is also important, very, very important to risk analysis, because this is telling you the level of risk. This 6.5 tells me that it's a medium risk, high medium risk. And when this vulnerability came out, all kinds of stuff. And this is something you can do right now today in your own environment, and you can put it on your resume as a project. And there's other tools you can use, and this is one of the most popular ones, but I believe you can do this with Qualys. You can do this with multiple different systems. Somebody's asking me about EMAS. I think that you might be able to access EMAS, and I don't know for sure. I don't use EMAS on a regular basis, but Chris from TechWoke, he has a breakdown of how to do that, and I haven't checked it out, but EMAS, you might be able to get access to EMAS. So just so you know. EMAS, for those who don't know, is a GRC. It's a GRC tool that's similar to like a CSAM, or what's the other one? Archer. And all it does is it helps you to consolidate all the documentation that you're supposed to use for when you're going through the risk management framework process. Is one of the many things it can do. Is it can also help you with vulnerability management. Some of those tools can help with vulnerability management as well.